Hello, beautiful people, future me. Let's get into it. First will be the typing, as you can see. Improve your typing. What we are doing, Scala? Okay, we do Scala. Okay, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. What is the result? And the result is overhead 11 and VPL 33. Alright, alright. Okay, we are on the 6-minute mark, almost exactly. Oh, this was quite improvement. It's kind of like I kind of feel that I'm better, both in the terms of keystroke overhead and the VPM. If I kind of just let it go, I don't think so much about which finger goes where on a keyboard, and just let it be. Sometimes even when I'm thinking about something else while typing, which is kind of counterintuitive, I would say. I would be better if I would be like focusing on moving. Just, I don't know. But seems to be the case that I'm faster and I make less errors when I kind of just like let it do, let it be, just almost like I was letting do the thing some another person. I don't know. It's just a little bit better. Okay. So now we have a coding, a learning, or stuff like so. So, what else could we do? I would do. Let's do. Let's do JavaScript tutorial. Yeah, let's do JavaScript tutorial. First of all, I need to find one. But I believe there's on the, yeah, right here, there is some JavaScript tutorial. And I think we could do that. So there's a home object, blah, 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 so many things. So that would be less than 100. Okay, so I can do that. Why not? Why not, right? So I'll fire up my IntelliJ. So file, new project. What will I need? I think I will need a what? Java, Spring, Groovy. I think the static Node.js and npm. Maybe I can try that. Or maybe not. Because I will probably need to execute something on a web page. Tutorial goes through, right? So, okay, so I will do static web next. So this will be called how? So let's do JavaScript playground. Yeah. Finish. And where is my window? So my window is
1990.
loading.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Ravioli.
Give me my window. Give
Ravioli.
me my window. Boom boom.
Mamma
Give me
mia.
my window. Boom boom. Where's my window? Boom boom. Where is my window? JavaScript playground. Okay. Take that. And now we are here. Okay, so I have a JavaScript playground. So we will create a directory source. Inside of there will be another directory with free rules. Yeah, why not? Then This one is called JavaScript tutorial, yeah. Okay, so JS tutorial, then we have a JS forms and so on. But, okay. Directory, JS tutorial. Here we go. And the chapter number 1 is called Home. That will be not really interesting, or is it? JavaScript tutorial. This is like didn't know, learning speed, test yourself. Yeah, introductory to this. So there's an introduction. JavaScript can change HTML content. Yep. Sure. Sure. JavaScript can change the HTML CSS style. Get element style font size 35. Alright. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. JavaScript can show HTML elements. Okay, so where to? Where to? The scripting and alright, so we can start in here, I believe. And we will create a directory. This will be O3 2, and we will copy that. And now we do the HTML file with the same name. And here we'll be talking about where to put the JavaScript code. So there are 3 possibilities, I believe. I think. The first one is to have it in line. I believe. I think so. Let's try. Button. Hello. So that, and now we want to see our page. Okay, so there's a hello, and here we will have div with ID of 1 to 3, whatever, and in here on click equal, and would be this document get element by ID. Okay, so this document body. How was it? I don't know. Links are not return. No. Okay, so let's do document dot get element by ID. Dum-dum-dum. Okay, another thing is to include it in here, a script file, and here can be some function. So let's do uh, function change text with no input parameters, and it will be document dot where is it? I don't know. And the third part would be this is going well. Would be JavaScript file like external JS, and here we need to include like link and then some properties like source script. No. Source. What are another thing? Color, scope, hidden area. Doesn't help. Does not help. Okay, I need to read on it. So the script tag. Here's document get element by ID. So maybe small d. Okay. Document get element by ID. I was so close. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Text, inner text. Set inner text equals. Wait, I'm curious. Oh, it works. Holy smoke. Okay, but I want to read. Great stuff. This H2YD. Oh, back to this. Okay, so this is like the example. All JavaScript examples may use attribute script type text JavaScript. The attribute is not required. JavaScript is the default scripting language in HTML. Okay. JavaScript functions and event. JavaScript function is a block of JavaScript code that can be executed. For example, a function event occurs. You will learn about the functions later. JavaScript in header body. You can place any number of scripts into HTML. You can place in the body, head section of the HTML, or in both. Okay. JavaScript head. So in head is that, which I kind of did. I didn't give it a name. And okay, and here is calling the function here. Okay. Button. Okay, JavaScript body. That's the one which I am interested. Okay, so it's doing the same thing. You just put the script inside of the body, not inside of the head. Okay, an external script. That's it. That's it. Okay. Oh, let's do that. Okay, so this will. Oh, I did do the name. Okay, so document. Uh, get element by ID. Oh, this is inline. You see, you see, I knew more. Inline. The button will say inline as well. Then we will have uh, in the body script function. Okay, I will rename this. Change text inline. Do refactor. Inline. Okay. This is not inline for. Okay. So that text head refactor. Do the refactor head, and here will be the function change text body document get element by ID 123 inner text equals body, and I'm missing that in here. Inner text equals this is head, and we have that. Okay, so now I need some buttons. This will change head, and this one will say head, and button on click. This will be change body. Yeah, and body. Well, let's say. So now I reload, and now I have inline, head. Head doesn't work, and body work. So what's wrong with head? I don't have the ID in here. 1, 2, 3, and we will have this will be H1 material. Here we go. So inline, head, body. So I have found 3 ways how to do it, and there is a fourth, right? There is this external thing, which I didn't look how to include for the type script. No, okay, so it is. What else it could be? Ref is integrity size, on-click class style, aria something. Doesn't look like this. Charset data type, content, charset, enlist, on blur, on, property, ref. Type of title rel is this script. Okay, that looks and ref, or maybe ref will be this thing. and maybe that's what it is. So I will do function change text external. Uh, uh, so we ID. Okay, and we will document get element by ID, and inner text will be external. Okay, save it. I'll go back and I will create another button. On click will be equal to change text external. We put in 1 to 3 and we will say external on the button. So initial, inline, head, body, and external doesn't work. Why? Okay, maybe I can cheat a little bit. Now when I load it, it doesn't do anything as well. Change text, external button. Okay, so this one work, this one work, this one work, this doesn't. Why? Okay, maybe I could try change external. Change text external is not defined. Thank you, kind sir. Empty cache or reload. Maybe this one is not defined as it should be. Maybe type. No. So okay, so let's have a look how to include an external thing. External JavaScript source. Okay. So not that, but source. What? Oh gosh, I have it like completely different. I remember there was like link and it was like completely different. But apparently you can do this. This is much simpler. Okay, so I like that. Script, source, will be external, like so. And maybe now it will work. I will reload. Now inline, head, body, external. Great. Great. Okay, so we are at the end of the 30th minute, almost. And we are done. And done is better than perfect. Bye.